Hello viewers, welcome to C programming tutorial. So today I will show you how to install Codeblocks on PC. Previously we told that we will practice our C programming on Dev C++. Though Codeblocks is very useful and very effective for the beginners, and it is very famous for the beginners, so we will show how to install Codeblocks. So let's do our journey. So here I have the link from where we will download the code blocks. So the link that are given from the source force.net and force hub. So according to your bits of your computer or PC, you have to install, you have to download from here. So as I have downloaded the file previously, so I'm gonna show you how to install it. So here is the file. Now I'm gonna install this. Now the installation is going on. You are seeing. So it is now at the end of the installation. Okay, do you want to run code blocks now? So I'm gonna not gonna run the code blocks now. So I'll click no. Then next, then finish. So I have the code blocks on my PC. So this is the icon you are seeing. Let's click it. So this is the IDE where I will do coding. So this is the code blocks. So in the next tutorial we will show you how to do C programming on code blocks. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel TechEnzine.